Okay, so first you're going to need a half of an onion chopped up. You're going to need about 2 pounds of hamburger, and you're going to throw that in a cast iron skillet on your smoker and smoke it with some mesquite wood and cook it until the hamburger is done and the onions are done too. All right, now after that, you're going to make some beef broth, or in this case, I'm using vegetable broth so that we can give it some flavor, and I'm making about 4 cups of this good stuff. Now, after you make the broth, you're going to add the hamburger and onions to a skillet. You're going to add some tomato seasoning, some chili. You're going to also add some smoked paprika. You're going to add some chipotle and smoked garlic, and you're also going to add the tomatoes as much as you want. In this case, I'm adding 4 of them, and I'm adding about 4 tablespoons of tomato paste to make this nice and thick. And I'm going to add about 4 cups of the beef broth or vegetable broth. And then you're going to cook it up, and you're going to also add the kidney beans, adding about 4 cans. And then after that, it looks nice and thick like this. And don't forget your cornbread. Yum.